It's everybody's responsibility who eats to understand where their food comes from. And no more important than the food that comes from the ocean. Sustainability in Wellington is even more important than other places, as the entire city is almost wrapped with the coastline. What I'm looking for when I eat is a flawless journey from sea to table. I often think about the hard work that somebody like Scott from Aotearoa puts into catching the food that I might be cooking. It's my responsibility as a chef to do justice to the hard work that he's put in. Mark and Helen run one of Wellington's most legendary restaurants. I know that Mark and the team always put the utmost care into the cooking. It's something that they've always done. It's something that they taught me.
I grew up in Wellington as a young lad in the 60s, and my dad built a boat. He used to take me out into the Cook Strait fishing, and we'd catch enough for the family and the neighbours. And that's what I want for my grandkids, and I think that's what all Kiwis want for their grandchildren as well.
Reed is a truly sustainable, local, seasonal restaurant where the farmers dictate the menu rather than the chefs.
I'm really trying to support those growers in their work rather than dictating. It's more like, what have you got in the ground and what are you going to offer me? Yeah, I just want to feed people well and give them a really nice experience.
It's great to see the evolution of the city. So many wonderful people doing so many amazing things. It's a city that's not resting on its laurels or sitting on its hands. I'm blown away by the evolution of this place.